Did you ever wonder if you could upgrade your RAM? You can. This is a 16 gig RAM kit for a 2011 MacBook Pro. 10 screws. Okay, all the screws are out. Take the plate off. Now this is the RAM. So what you do is you take these two clips and they're gonna pop up. You pull this out. That's one RAM card. And the second, there's two slots on the MacBooks. Now you would take your new RAM, and 16 gig will work with MacBooks. Apple says it only does up to 8 gigs. It is false. 8 gigabyte, 2 cards on a 2011 MacBook Pro. Make sure you line up this with this. And all you do is slide it in on the bottom one, click it down, slide the top one in here, click it down, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and check out my next video where I'm going to show you how to install a Samsung solid state drive to your old 2010, 2011 MacBook and speed it up real fast. Thanks.